So today we're going to be learning how to make baked beans with the Dutch oven on the big green egg. Quite simple. You need to get some onion, some barbecue sauce, which I made earlier, or you can just use some chopped pork. That's 3 cups of each. Half a cup of mustard, half a cup of maple syrup, a cup of brown sugar, some bacon bits, that's about 6 rashers sliced up and squared, and some cannelloni beans, which you can get at a supermarket. Save one of the jars of juice though and mix it with water to make a cup of water and juice. Heat your grill to 400 Fahrenheit, which is about 200 Celsius for the Brits, and then make sure your pot's nice and hot and smoking. Toss the bacon in. There you go. With all the fat, I've separated off the fat from the bacon itself, just so later I can bring it out. Fry that up until it's nice and crispy. Pop the lid back on. That'll take about 5 minutes just to brown off. And then we're going to go and pop the onion in. And once the onion's cooking, we can leave it for a bit longer. Once the bacon's nicely browned, you just want to pull it out of the oven. Save that for in a minute. Just keeping the fat separate so I can use that with the onions. Don't worry too much if you've left some bacon at the bottom. It's all going to go back in anyways. So pop the rinds back in, along with the onions. Let those brown off for a minute. Let them settle down with the bacon. The lid back on, keep the heat in, and give it a few more minutes until the onions are brown. So once the onions are nicely browned, it's about where we want them, just a touch more, then we can start putting in the rest of the ingredients. So, we pop the bacon back in. A bit of a mix. Pop in the sauce. Pop in your juice. Give it a bit of a mix. Pop in the brown sugar, making sure it all gets stirred in nice and well. This is really hot now, so just watch yourself. Pop in your half a cup of maple syrup. Finally drop in the mustard. Really hot. Once that's all nicely in there, give it a bit of a swirl. Pop in your beans, and you're done. Give it all a good mix. And just remember that the longer you keep your lid open, the hotter your barbecue is going to get. Finally, if you're feeling adventurous, then you can pop some smoker chips on, just to give it that little bit of extra barbecue smokiness. Really hot. There we go. And you want to leave that for about 15-20 minutes You can usually tell by just eating some of the beans when they go nice and soft and they've got a bit of flavour to them, and you're done. I'll see you in a minute. So here we go, the moment of truth. Bubbling away nicely. Smoke's pretty much all gone. Take a look. Pretty good. Baked beans on the barbecue. Pretty good.